Got my stuff. I am ready. This is the second of 3 stops. I'm gonna do my last stop, then head home, have lunch, just continue with my day. Make sure I put my office keys back here. I was using the keys to open the package, so I'm on 2013 CBR600RR. Yeah, baby blade. Some people have asked if I will get a 1000cc simply because of my size. No, not fat, I'm tall. Unless I get something that has rider modes, I really do not see the reason for me to get a 1000cc that the only mode is my wrist. Because as much as I ride a lot, I don't live far from my work, don't live far from where I chill. Basically, most of the rides that we do, even with the guys I ride with, a lot of them are local. We're talking less than 50 km, 60 maybe from my place. So